he snort again? He's snoring again. Shut up! Before I get the chancellor. Alright, that's it. Get Jack up. Get up. Get up already. Oh, you're gonna get your ass whooped already. What the? I can't mess with you anymore. I can't. Oh, God. You're a babysitter and you're doing this? Come on. Get up. Brush your teeth. Come on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Better be sorry. Oh, but you can snort. You know what?